Import error, no module named matplotlib.pyplot. I am currently practicing matplotlib. This is the first example I practice. When I run this script with python./plot_test.py, it shows plot correctly. However, I run it by itself, ./plot_test.py, it throws the followings. Does Python look for matplotlib in different locations? The environment is NumPy, SciPy, matplotlib is installed with
You have two Pythons installed on your machine. One is the standard Python that comes with macOS and the second is the one you installed with ports. This is the one that has matplotlib installed in its library. The one that comes with macOS does not. Is the standard Mac Python, and since it doesn't have matplotlib, you should always start your script with the one installed with ports. If Python your underscore script.py works, then change the hash. 2. Or put the full path to the Python interpreter that has the matplotlib installed in its library.
Pip will make your life easy. Step 1. Install pip. Check if you have pip already simply by writing pip in the Python console. If you don't have pip, get a Python script called getpip.py, by here, this URL, or directly here, this URL, you may have to use save as. Step 2. Take note of where the file got saved and cd the directory from command prompt. Run the getpip.py script to install pip. You can write in cmd this line within quotes, Python, \getpip.py. Step 3. Now in cmd type, pip install matplotlib. And you should be through.
If you are using Python 2, just run. The best way to get matplotlib is cause the previous way may give you an old version of matplotlib.
This worked for me, inspired by Sheetal Call. I knew it installed in the wrong place when this worked.
Frio, Sheetal, Little Sessions, lately.